Introducing the DGL 571 18-inch lighted roller tool bag. Its large, sturdy telescoping handle extends for fast transport of heavy loads. The heavy-duty wheels provide easy bag movement over rough terrain. With a magnetic folding zipper top, you can conveniently attach to the telescoping handle for full access to the main compartment. The DGL 571's large interior holds most large power tools and accessories, while the 6 multi-use pockets inside and the 11 outside help to organize a wide variety of hand tools. A handy integrated 3-level LED light system is located on the handle and can swivel to light work area or bag contents. The DeWalt DGL 571 18-inch lighted roller tool bag. Guaranteed tough.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.